Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to integrate ConvertKit with Clickfunnels. So now we are going to do this with the help of Zapier. It is an automatic integration application, so go to zapier.com and click on Create as App. And now let's select our trigger. So our trigger will be ConvertKit, and select your event. So my event will be a new subscriber. Click on continue and connect with your ConvertKit account API, which will be found in your account as given here. Now click on continue and select your action. So our action will be Clickfunnels. Click on Clickfunnels, and our event will be add email to list. And now all you have to do is allow Clickfunnels account to Zapier. Sign in with your Clickfunnels account, and you're just few steps away from integrating ConvertKit to Clickfunnels. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.